2024 is the year of the dragon. The zodiac sign for 2024 is a dragon. In 2024, the year of the dragon will begin. The dragon is the symbol of the 2024 Chinese zodiac. The dragon zodiac sign represents strength and determination. In 2024, the Chinese New Year will mark the beginning of the year of the dragon. In 2024, the Chinese zodiac will be represented by the dragon. The dragon symbolizes the Chinese zodiac for 2024. The dragon zodiac sign brings a playful and daring energy in 2024. Get ready to unleash your playful dragon spirit in 2024. 2024 marks the beginning of the year of the dragon in the Chinese zodiac. 2024 is a year of adventure and growth with the dragon zodiac sign. The dragon zodiac sign will bring creativity and innovation to your life in 2024. With the dragon as your guide, 2024 promises personal growth and opportunities. The dragon zodiac sign will bring challenges and opportunities in 2024. 2024 is the year of the dragon, a year of transformation and excitement. If you're looking for a year of fire-breathing fun, look no further than the year of the dragon. Watch out, because the dragon is about to shake things up in 2024. Get ready to harness your inner dragon in 2024. The year of the dragon promises to be fiery and fun-filled. 2024 promises to be a year filled with excitement and dragon-powered fun. Get ready to embrace the cheerful and fiery spirit of the dragon in 2024. The year of the dragon will bring new opportunities and dragon-sized joy. The dragon zodiac sign will bring playful and adventurous energy to the year. Get ready for an exciting and unpredictable year with the dragon zodiac sign. The year of the dragon is here to breathe some fire. Roar with dragon energy in 2024. Spread your wings in the year of the dragon. Unleash your dragon power in 2024. Dragon energy ignites in 2024. A fiery year ahead with the dragon zodiac. Happy Year of the Dragon! May your year of the dragon be filled with joy and success. Happy New Year, and may the dragon bring you good luck. Happy New Year, and may the dragon's fiery spirit light the way for you. Happy Year of the Dragon, and may you soar to new heights in the coming year. May the year of the dragon bring you good luck and prosperity. Happy Year of the Dragon! Don't let anything hold you back. May the dragon's fiery spirit ignite your new year with laughter and joy. Happy Year of the Dragon! Here's hoping you won't be dragging your feet in the new year. Happy New Year! May the dragon bring you prosperity and a tail-wagging good time. Happy Year of the Dragon! May your days be filled with the joy of dragon-sized success. Happy New Year! May the year of the dragon bring you adventures and laughter like no other. May the year of the dragon breathe new life into your endeavors, or may the dragon's fiery spirit inspire you to reach your full potential. Happy New Year! May the dragon's strength and determination empower you to achieve your goals.